Hi, I'm Woody Zoll, and I'd like to invite you to Beyond Agile Israel 2018 on February 8th. There are going to be a lot of great talks, and I'm going to be sharing mob programming, a whole team approach to creating software. With mob programming, the entire team, with all the needed skills and knowledge, are gathered together to work on the same thing at the same time, in the same space, and at the same computer. I know this seems preposterous. How can 5 or 6 people possibly be productive working at one computer? Well, it's not 5 people watching one person coding, but rather a highly collaborative approach where everyone contributes their very best as needed, so the whole team can make rapid progress on the work at hand. We've had great results working this way, and I'll be providing a good introduction to it. You'll learn what it is, why we do it, and how we do it. I'll be doing both a talk and an intensive one-day hands-on mob programming workshop. So please join me at Beyond Agile Israel 2018 and learn about this fun and effective way to work. I hope to see you there.